Put your seatbelts on. In today's video, I have one hot opportunity to share with you that is seriously heating up. And if you're searching for the best stock to research this week, you need to watch this video. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice videos, only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is Brazil Potash Corp, and you can find this company trading on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol GRO. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. Now, let me explain why I think Brazil Potash Corp could be one of the most exciting companies in 2025. So the world is standing on the brink of a food crisis. For decades, experts have been warning that over-cultivation has stripped traditional farmlands of the nutrients they need for production. Add to that a growing global population, which the United Nations projects will require global food production to increase by 70% by 2050. To put that into perspective, it means the world will have to produce nearly double the food it produces today within 2 decades. But when the US sanctioned Belarus in 2021, followed by Russia invading Ukraine in 2022, it exposed how fragile the supply chain really is. That's because at the core of this issue is a vital but often overlooked resource, potash. One of the 3 key ingredients in fertilizer and arguably the most important, this potassium-rich mineral is crucial for enhancing crop growth by improving resilience against drought, temperature swings, and pestilence, ultimately increasing crop yields. And Russia and Belarus control over 40% of the world's potash supply. Potash prices quadrupled as a result, from $300 to nearly $1,200 per ton almost overnight from mid-2021 to 2022. Furthermore, higher potash prices can have a significant downstream effects on food prices and the nutritional quality of crops, creating a ripple effect throughout the global food system. For Brazil, the stakes have been particularly high. Now, as one of the world's largest agricultural powerhouses, Brazil is responsible for producing 1 in 10 plates of food globally. And while their farmers consume over 20% of the world's potash, the shocking fact is that Brazil imports about 98% of this critical nutrient. This is why I'm excited to bring to you a company called Brazil Potash Corp, listed on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol GRO, and its Altazes project. Brazil Potash expects Altazes to produce roughly 2.4 million tons of potash annually once constructed and operating at full capacity, enough to satisfy 20% of Brazil's needs. In other words, the addressable market in Brazil alone is 5x what Altazes will be able to supply, at least to start. The mine is expected to have an initial life of 23 years at this rate, based on exploration of only 5% of the project's basin. If all goes to plan, there is potential to expand production and mine life significantly. Furthermore, the company just closed a $30 million IPO to list on the New York Stock Exchange, and with the infrastructure and necessary permitting in place, they are positioning for commencement of construction of the project. Major players are already taking notice. Franco-Nevada Corporation, one of the world's most successful mining companies, has signed on as a cornerstone investor. The Amaji Group, one of the world's largest private soybean producers with nearly $10 billion in annual revenue, has also committed to a major offtake agreement. The economics are a clear draw. The project is located near the Amazon River system, offering a major reduction in shipping costs and travel time. Brazil Potash estimates that the average cost from Altazes will be less than half of imported potash, plus the total transit time from the Altazes project to Brazilian potash customers is expected to be 2.5 days, while shipments from Canada and Russia average 107 days. And Brazil Potash has already secured a 15-year shipping agreement with Hermasa, including exclusive river barge transport rights to ensure supply of all Brazil Potash's annual production to Brazil's major farming regions. So much potential at play. Brazil Potash has brought on a world-class team to bring their plan to fruition. Mayo Schmidt, who helped build Nutrien into the world's largest potash producer, approximately $23 billion market cap, has agreed to chair Brazil Potash's advisory board. The appointment of Mayo Schmidt marks a significant milestone cornerstone in Brazil Potash's corporate development. He brings over 30 years of agricultural business experience, previously acting as president and CEO of Viterra, as well as serving on Agrium's board of directors. Mr. Schmidt has also held senior positions in ConAgra Green, General Mills, and Hydro One Limited, Canada's largest utility. He's joined by the former Attorney General of Brazil, the former Minister of Agriculture, and the former Senator of the largest farming region in Brazil, among others. Now here's a look at their market opportunity. As the global population grows and food demand rises, potash will remain an irreplaceable part of agriculture. Market analysts predict that the sector will grow from $57.74 billion in 2022 to $93.50 billion by 2032, a staggering 62% increase. Potash is listed as a critical mineral in Canada and Brazil. Similar designations in the US could quickly unlock government incentives and increase investor attention. Wall Street has already seen the potential, with institutional investors and more than 77 hedge funds adding potash stocks to their portfolio over the past year. Major industry players like BHP are also working to secure a foothold in the potash industry. The mining giant has invested $5.2 billion in stage 1 of its Jansen potash project in Canada, with total investments in the sector exceeding $10 billion. So overall, in conclusion, with a robust resource base and expert leadership, Brazil Potash offers a rare opportunity in a transformative project that hopes to help shape the future of Brazilian agriculture. The company now stands at a pivotal moment. Taz's project has received all major permits to begin construction, with multiple development catalysts on the near horizon. The project is projected to move towards construction, and they've already secured major offtake and transportation agreements with some of the biggest names in the industry. As they progress towards production, Brazil Potash could establish itself as a significant player. You can learn more about Brazil Potash listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol GRO by clicking the link in the video description. Now guys, let's turn our attention to the stock chart. I think the stock has been performing pretty well this past week and is continuing to trade at a very tempting level, so there could be a potential opportunity here. Furthermore, I'm really impressed with the massive strides they are making, and I do think this company could be the hidden gem of 2025. So if you haven't done so already, guys, add Brazil Potash Corp to your watch list immediately. Once again, guys, here is the ticker symbol. I will leave some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Videos only for entertainment purposes.